Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're actually going to be trying Kylie Jenner's holiday collection palette, her lip collection as well, and a highlighter. That's all I was able to get my hands on. A lot of people do say that the Kylie Jenner Cosmetics is really hyped up, and after trying this out, I think it really is. Before we get started, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching my videos. Leave me comments if you got this or if you're planning on getting this. It's kind of pricey. The colors, I think everybody's like coming out with these similar colors, so I created this holiday inspired makeup look. So if you want to see how I got this or how I did this, go ahead and keep on watching. Let's start with this. It's swatch Pray for Snow. So this one's Pray for. This one's Cold Hearted. This one's Miss Klaus, and this one is Jingle Baby. Okay, so they swatched pretty good, but it's really glittery. I don't know how I feel about that. For today's look, I'm gonna use Jingle Baby, and we'll see how that turns out. So first off, I am gonna use Cuddle Season, and I'm gonna apply that all over my eyelids. It's turned out to be more pigmented than I wanted it to be, but we'll make it work. So next, I'm gonna go into Just Chill and apply that on my crease, kind of to deepen up the purple. I don't know how I'm feeling about this right now. I don't know. Okay, so the next color I'm going to go ahead and use is Hello Winter. It looks purple. I feel like all her colors are purple. We're going to apply that on the outer corner. Truthfully, guys, I don't know how I feel about this. Alright, so I'm going to go in with Jingle Baby and apply that on my eyelid. It has a lot of fallout. So I'm going to go ahead and try to blend this out. Glitter Baby is too glittery and it has a lot of fallout, and a lot of the times I don't really have a problem with glitter. With this one, like, not even my finger makes it work. A lot of the times, even if it's a lot of glitter, you know, you can go with your finger and your finger, you know, kind of applies it very well. Like, trying to like blend out more, I feel like it's just gonna keep coming off and I'm gonna have to apply even more. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye and we'll use the rest of the things. Okay, so I'm back. I did the rest of my face. I put my falsies and everything. I did do something different on this eye. I applied glitter glue on this side of the eye, but I didn't apply glitter glue on this eye. So this one did have a lot of fallout. I have like a lot of glitter here. This one didn't, and it kind of went on more smooth. So it's getting better. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and move on with the highlight. The highlight I got was Snow Angel. Oh yes. Oh my goodness. Alright, the highlight's very pigmented. I'll give you that. Maybe I didn't need that much. Oh, yep. I am loving this highlight. Okay, the only thing I do see about this highlight is that whenever I'm here, what would you consider that color? Kind of like with the lighting, it looks like white, I guess. So far, I am liking how this is turning out. I really like my highlight, and my eyes turned out to be better. Alright, so we're gonna move on to the lips, and I think I'm just gonna use the Snow White Babe all over my lips. I think I'm gonna apply Dream On top of this. I feel like I really like the color and I can wear it alone, but I think I want more. Bad idea. It's kind of breaking up the matte lipstick that I had put under. Let's try the Slay My Name. I just ended up swatching all these on my lips. So this is more like a purple color. And this one's applying way much better than the other one. Would I wear this? I don't know. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch Better Not Pout. And we'll see how that one goes.